if I told you that all the objects you see in these beautiful renders were created using AI in a very short time, would you believe it? The objects I selected were generated from a single image, and normally, each of these assets would cost around $7 to $10 on asset marketplaces. In this video, I've tried to honestly test and review the capabilities of this AI tool for creating interior objects in architecture, interior design, and furniture modeling. But for now, let's focus on the objects I created. I imported all these objects into Rhino, scaled and positioned them, and arranged them into a simple interior villa scene, then rendered everything in Lumion. Now let's take a closer look at each object and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Sofa. First, the sofa you see here. This is one of the cleanest and most impressive objects I generated with Hitem 3D. The fabric looks natural, and the soft details like the cushions and backrest are very well defined. Even the small objects placed on the sofa follow a believable physical behavior. I didn't modify any materials. Everything you see was generated directly by the platform. The only issue is the back leg of the sofa, which appears slightly broken or darkened. However, in Hitem 3D, you can retry each item up to 3 times for free to fix issues like this. The second sofa is a smaller one. Again, the fabric and overall volume look quite good, especially under sunlight. The cushions are well detailed, and the material closely matches the reference image I used. The downside is similar to the first one. The base has some distortion, although the material itself is correct. This 3-seater sofa, along with the cushions and the cloth on top, is another strong result. The natural folds, material quality, and cushion textures look very convincing. Even the shadows behind the cushions add extra realism. Since this sofa doesn't have visible legs, there are no issues in the lower part. Everything looks clean. Next is a simple coffee table. Considering the complexity we saw in the sofas, generating this object is relatively easy, and as expected, the result is clean and usable. Bottles on the table. I also created these bottles using the same AI tool to test how it handles different object types. The results are quite good. Materials, colors, labels, and even the liquid inside are generated. The only limitation is that the glass isn't truly transparent, so both the bottle and liquid lack proper realism in that aspect. One of the highlights here is this sculpture. Honestly, I couldn't find any major issues. The fine details, the clothing, body form, and even the shadows are very well done. In my opinion, Hitem 3D performs exceptionally well for this type of object. Recently, Hitem 3D has introduced some very useful updates. I'll cover those features and workflows in more detail in the next video. This larger sofa also shows strong results. The material and texture are clearly visible, and lighting enhances those details nicely. The cushions and wooden elements are also well executed and acceptable in quality. The 4-person dining table looks very good. The chairs are well detailed, both structure and seating feel natural. The wooden texture of the table is also realistic and convincing. Work desk setup. This object includes a desk, chair, and small items on top. To be honest, this one is weaker compared to others. The chair material looks artificial, and the smaller objects are not well defined. Also, the height proportions between the desk and chair are slightly incorrect. Bed setup. The double bed with side tables is very well done. Material separation is clear, and the blankets and pillows have realistic folds and textures. I couldn't find any noticeable visual issues here. You also have a chance to be one of the 3 lucky winners in the Hitem 3D campaign. All you need to do is watch this video until the end, follow the steps for registration, and you could win a 1-month pro subscription to Hitem 3D. This white single chair has a good overall form. The body looks fine, but the seat material has some artifacts and appears slightly broken. However, unlike some previous chairs, the base structure here is correct. Brown armchair. This one is actually very impressive. The material quality and fine wrinkles are beautifully generated. I didn't notice any major flaws. This is a strong result. I intentionally chose a complex picture to test detail handling. As you can see, the details are captured very well, and the material and color feel natural. It's a very nice result. Finally, this 6-person dining table. Similar to the previous dining setup, the chairs are well modeled, materials look clean, and the seating forms are accurate. The tabletop is also good and matches the reference. However, underneath the table, the base has some material distortion and minor issues. This was my honest review of Hitem 3D and its capabilities in generating interior furniture and objects. Overall, it's a powerful tool for quickly creating detailed assets, especially for concept design and visualization. I hope this video helps you understand how to use this tool effectively in your own workflow. Use the link in the description to sign up for free and leave your email address in the comments. 2 weeks after the video is published, 3 winners will be randomly selected to receive a 1-month pro subscription to Hitem 3D. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.